What we're going to look at now is how we can kind of control how we look and view at the page. This is managed here with these tools that we have. So the zoom in and zoom out. This one here is called the zoom to 100%. And this is called the page width option. Zoom in, zoom out. It's pretty self-explanatory. I can just click them and I will zoom in and out each time. Our 100% is just our default. So back to where we want things to go. And we'll see how that works in a second. But sometimes you can see here, we have this big image, a big title image, and I can't actually see it, or I can scroll around and see it, but I can't see the whole thing on the page. So one of the quickest ways to do it is to click on this page width option. So when I click on this one, what it will do is it will detect the largest object on the page, and then it will open that up so I can see everything. If I then just wanted to return because maybe my text was a bit smaller and it was a bit harder to read, what we do is we click here on this 100%, come back down, and we return to the original view. So have a go with those four options and see how you go managing them.